This is Dr. George Hatlani Maluleke with an urgent environmental public alert. On the 27th of November 2025, the Environmental Management Authority, EMA, confirmed a major environmental incident in the Loveld. A 16 megaliter stillage point, that is 16 million liters, at Triangle Limited Section 6, part of Tongat Hewlett, collapsed, releasing large volumes of liquid into Cheche River, flowing into Mtirikwe River and potentially reaching the Runde River. Authorities have warned that this stillage contains chemicals harmful to aquatic life and may pose serious risks to both water quality and human health. At this hour, EMA confirms that water in the affected rivers is being diluted using flows from Gungwawe, Offtake 18 and Christine Water. Fish deaths have already been reported and recorded downstream of Runde River, a clear indication of contamination and ecological stress. As part of urgent public protection measures, EMA advises: do not eat fish from Cheche, Mtirikwe or Runde rivers until further notice. Do not use river water for drinking, cooking, bathing, washing or livestock. Report any unusual smells, fish death or water discoloration to the environmental management agents. This is a developing situation. We will continue monitoring the official updates from EMA and local authorities to help safeguard the public health of our families, our rivers, and our environment. For now, please stay alert, stay safe, avoid contact with the affected river systems. This is Dr. George Hatlani Maluleke reporting. Stay tuned for verified updates only.